Supercars are built for speed, power, and prestige, but some of them come with a price beyond money: endless repairs and breakdowns. These are the 5 most unreliable supercars of all time. The Lamborghini Gallardo is an iconic supercar that turned heads with its aggressive styling and powerful V10 engine. However, for many owners, the excitement quickly faded due to its notorious E-gear transmission failures. Lamborghini introduced the E-gear system as an automated manual transmission designed to deliver rapid shifts and enhance performance. Unfortunately, this system became a nightmare for many drivers. One of the biggest issues was the excessive clutch wear. Unlike traditional automatic transmissions, the E-gear system depended on a single clutch mechanism that wore out quickly, often requiring costly replacements every 10,000 to 15,000 miles. On top of that, the system was prone to overheating, especially in stop-and-go traffic, making it unreliable for anything other than high-speed driving. Many owners also reported electrical malfunctions, leading to erratic shifts, delays, or even complete failures that stranded the car. Surprisingly, the manual transmission versions of the Gallardo were much more reliable. They lacked the complexity of the E-gear system, allowing for better control and durability. This led many enthusiasts to seek out stick-shift models, which not only held their value better, but also avoided the costly transmission repairs associated with the E-gear system. When McLaren re-entered the supercar market with the MP412C, it promised cutting-edge technology, Formula One-inspired engineering, and mind-blowing performance. While it delivered impressive speed and handling, it also became infamous for reliability concerns that frustrated owners and hurt its reputation. One of the most frequent issues was the hydraulic suspension system, which was designed to provide an ultra-smooth ride while maintaining track-ready performance. Unfortunately, this system suffered from frequent leaks, causing suspension failures and costly repairs. Additionally, the dual-clutch transmission experienced gearbox malfunctions, leading to delayed shifts or sudden loss of power. Another major problem stemmed from software glitches. McLaren's attempt to create an advanced infotainment system and digital controls backfired, with many owners experiencing frozen screens, failed navigation systems, and unresponsive controls. These issues, combined with high maintenance costs, made the MP412C one of the most unreliable McLaren models. To McLaren's credit, they learned from these mistakes and improved their later models, such as the 650S and 720S, making them far more dependable. However, the MP412C remains a cautionary tale for those looking to buy an early McLaren without being prepared for the repair bills. The Ferrari 458 Italia is often praised as one of Ferrari's greatest modern supercars, combining breathtaking design with thrilling performance. However, even this masterpiece came with serious reliability flaws that caused headaches for many owners. One of the most infamous problems was the risk of engine fires. Ferrari used a flammable adhesive in the rear wheel arches to reduce weight, but under extreme heat and stress, this adhesive could catch fire, leading to multiple reported cases of 458s burning to the ground. This issue forced Ferrari to recall thousands of units, replacing the faulty components to prevent further disasters. The dual-clutch transmission in the 458, while offering lightning-fast shifts, was also known for being fragile. Many owners experienced transmission failures, jerky shifts, and costly replacements, often within the first few years of ownership. Additionally, the 458 consumed excessive oil, requiring frequent top-ups and maintenance to avoid engine damage. Despite these problems, Ferrari's recall efforts and later refinements made the 458 Speciale a much more reliable machine. However, for early 458 owners, these flaws turned an otherwise extraordinary supercar into a maintenance nightmare. The Bugatti Veyron is an engineering marvel, a hypercar that shattered records with its quad-turbocharged W16 engine, producing over 1,000 horsepower. However, owning one is not just about speed. It is about having deep pockets to handle its astronomical maintenance costs. While the Veyron is undoubtedly one of the most powerful production cars ever made, it is also infamous for being one of the most expensive to maintain and repair. One of the most ridiculous costs associated with the Veyron is transmission repairs. The car's 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, designed to handle extreme power, can cost over $100,000 to replace. Even basic servicing requires the car to be taken to specialized Bugatti technicians, as very few mechanics in the world are trained to work on it. Another major issue lies in its engine sensors and electronics, which are incredibly sensitive and can trigger costly repairs. Even minor glitches require professional diagnostics, often leading to expensive part replacements. Additionally, the Veyron's massive tires, which are specially designed to handle its 250+ mph top speed, wear out quickly. A full set of tires costs around $30,000, and Bugatti recommends replacing them every 2,500 miles. The wheels themselves, which are essential for high-speed stability, need to be replaced every 10,000 miles, adding another $50,000 to the bill. Even something as simple as an oil change can set owners back around $20,000, requiring a full teardown of the underbody to access key components. While the Veyron remains an icon of speed and luxury, its maintenance costs make it one of the most financially draining supercars ever made. The Maserati MC12 is an ultra-rare supercar that shares DNA with the legendary Ferrari Enzo. With only 50 units ever produced, it is one of the most exclusive Maseratis ever built. However, despite its rarity and breathtaking performance, it is notorious for being incredibly frustrating to own and maintain. One of the biggest problems with the MC12 is its unreliable electronics. Many owners reported issues with faulty sensors, glitchy dashboard displays, and inconsistent engine performance due to electrical malfunctions. Since Maserati borrowed much of the technology from Ferrari, some of these issues were inherited from the Enzo, making it a challenge to keep in perfect running condition. Maintenance is another nightmare. Because of its limited production run, finding replacement parts is extremely difficult and expensive. Many components are custom-made, meaning that even minor repairs can take months due to supply chain issues. The cost of servicing is astronomical, and very few mechanics in the world are qualified to work on it. Owners often have to send their cars to specialized Maserati or Ferrari service centers, leading to long wait times and hefty bills. Despite all these issues, the MC12 remains one of the most desirable supercars ever made. Its stunning aerodynamic design, 6.0-liter V12 engine, and racing heritage make it a dream car for collectors. However, for those who actually want to drive it regularly, the constant breakdowns, maintenance headaches, and lack of parts make it one of the most unreliable supercars of all time. There you have it, the 5 most unreliable supercars of all time. While these machines are beautiful, powerful, and legendary, they also come with a serious risk of headaches, empty wallets, and endless repairs. Whether it is clutch failures, transmission nightmares, or impossible maintenance costs, these cars prove that speed and luxury do not always mean reliability. What do you think? Would you still own one of these notorious supercars, despite their flaws? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into supercar nightmares, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more epic car content. Stay tuned, because we have even more exciting automotive stories and breakdowns coming your way.